Hello, everyone. I bought something yesterday. Oh, heavy. This one. It is called Testors 148 scale F-14 Tomcat. Metal body. Metal. I never seen anything like this before. I didn't even know if they had like this metal body model kit. I looked up this one on eBay. I found just one listing. The price is the box is damaged and inside the decals damaged. So he's selling it for around $230 without shipping. Yeah, in the United States. Yeah, he's selling it for $230. Yeah. And I got this one yesterday for $20. Awesome deal, I think. Awesome. It's very heavy. It's metal body model kit. Metal body. Now Testors, they make some strange stuff. Not strange actually. Some metal stuff. They make metal bikes and metal something. Yeah, anyway, they make something out of metal. Yeah. That's good. Interesting. Yeah. I had a 6 scale metal bike last time and I sold it. Yeah. Nice. Oh, heavy. Should I open it? Okay. I don't want to, but I show ya. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. It's been kept like this. New. Very new. Wow, shiny. The box is shiny. Wait. 2000 Tester USA. It's released in 2000. I'll open it. Oh, I'll show you. Okay. Decals. Instructions. Let's see instructions. No pilots included. No pilots. Yeah, it's pretty simple because it's metal. Okay. It's 48 scale. Big. Let me open it. Heavy. Really heavy. Yeah, this is metal chunk. The whole body is made of metal. $20, great deal. Lower body. It is heavy. It's metal. Metal. Upper body. Wow, it's really heavy. Upper body. Upper. Panel lines a little too wide. Yeah. Not highly detailed. It's just metal. But it's okay. Wow, really heavy. Ooh. Metal F-14. And what is it called? I don't know. One of the wing. The tail. Is this tail wing? Okay, this one. And this one. The vertical wing. Or this is tail wing? Which one's tail wing? I don't know. And wing. Main wing? Should I say main wing? Yeah. It doesn't move. It's just fixed like this. Yeah. I never seen any F-14 Tomcat wing. Yeah. Modeled like this. I mean molded like this. Just one piece. Yeah. Moving wings are. He's a special character, so it should move, but it's metal. It's okay. Fixed wing. Cool. Really heavy. Oh man. And these are all plastic. The missile, exhaust, and some small parts. Landing gear bay, door. Cockpit, and so on. Screws, because it's metal. Metal. Rubber tire, landing gear tire. And There's something on the bottom. In the bottom. On the bottom? Whatever. Ooh. The sky background kind of poster. What is it? Yeah. Sky background poster. Ooh. Bonus. For $20, it is a great deal. You have to buy it if it's $20. But like I said, it is selling on eBay for $230. $230, I wouldn't buy this. $100, I'll think about it. I would think about it if it's $100. Yeah. This is metal, heavy, unique. Metal. Oh, the canopy. Oh, it's already painted. I mean, primed. Yeah, not painted, primed. Should I say? Can I say primed? I don't know. Canopy. Nice. Cool. It is heavy. Yeah. So, if you want to buy it, and landing gear. Well, it is also metal. Is this? Is it? Not sure if it's metal or plastic. Maybe metal. Landing gear, front landing gear. And two other rear landing gear. Yeah. Looks good. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like it, you buy it, but it's very hard to find, I think. Yeah. Not highly recommended. For $20, it is. You have to buy it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye.